Good morning. I am making some lemon water with chlorophyll. So I like to start my day with a bunch of water, and lately I've been putting liquid chlorophyll in it. This is basically the life of all plants in a condensed form. So if you find yourself not eating a lot of greens or just not getting in a lot of minerals and nutrients, this is really good. It helps rebuild red blood cells. It helps your cells get more oxygen into them, which can make you feel really, really good. So I like to put like a tablespoon or two of this in my water, and I'll show you how I do that really quick. I always roll out my lemon just because it helps to loosen up the juice inside. So I just roll it out really good. And then I typically just use half of a lemon for this. And then I use a little lemon citrus juicer like this, but you don't really need one. And then I'll just add a tablespoon or two of this chlorophyll. And then fill it up with water. This looks really dark, but it's so full of nutrients. I like to drink it through a straw just because the chlorophyll can stain your teeth. And I already brushed my teeth, but usually I brush my teeth after. I'm gonna say hello. You're getting so big. How'd you get so big? I'm gonna go outside and do some yoga now, go for a walk, my usual morning routine, and then probably work. Just been gardening for a while, and now I'm going to eat some dates. So I've been eating probably like 10 dates every single day. They're so amazing, super low in fat, high in fiber, tons of minerals, and they taste like caramel. Why wouldn't you want to eat these every day, you know? I get these from nuts.com, and these are just the organic medjool dates. These are some of the best ones I've found. So good. For lunch, I'm gonna make some spring rolls, and I'm using kelp noodles. I just soak these in lemon water for a long time, so usually a few hours. When I know that I'm gonna make something with kelp noodles, I basically just put them in a big bowl with a ton of lemon juice and then some water and let them sit, and then they get nice and soft like this. If you don't have a lot of time though, you can put a tablespoon or two of baking soda and lemon juice. I got this tip from Kate Fruit Flowers. I'll link her channel below for you guys. So if you just put a tablespoon or 2 of baking soda and then the juice of 1 lemon, they'll soften in 20 to 30 minutes and then you can use them right away. But I'm going to make some Thai spring rolls with a delicious peanut sauce that I'll put all of the recipe ingredients and everything in the description box for you guys. But you have to try this recipe, it is so good. Okay, it is dinner time. I am going to make sushi tonight because that's just my go-to and we don't really have anything prepped right now, so I'm going to make probably just cucumber carrot sushi. I'm trying to keep it low fat since I had a bunch of peanut butter and stuff in the sauce for lunch. So I'm gonna go make that.